In today's video, I will show you how to change the language in Ludo King. To start, open the Ludo King app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the gear icon in the top left corner to open your settings menu. Inside the settings, locate the language section. You will see your current language displayed. Tap on it to see the full list of available options. Browse through the different languages and select the one you prefer. Once you've made your choice, the app will update and apply the new language settings immediately. If you ever want to revert to the default setting, simply tap your current language again and select English, which is conveniently located at the very top of the list. And that's it. That's how you change the language in Ludo King. Thank you for watching.